see Adam go. Ode, Okome be asam, bro, no do kunya. Ode, Jemayo kunya, ode. We am see Mama Menya. My name is Sweetheart. About we am Sweetheart. Jemayo kunya, ode.
Up your mind down with Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio. It's your radio.
Live in effect, and I don't waste time on the mic with the dope rhyme. Jump to the rhythm, jump to the rhythm, jump. And I'm here to combine beats and lyrics to make you shake your pants, take a chance. Come on and dance, guys. Grab a girl, don't wait, make the twirl. It's your world, and I'm just a squirrel trying to get a nut to move your
Okoman Radio, 97.1.
Right, Okoman 97.1 Radio. Et bien sûr, tu m'attends si à coup de mon summer pa. When we say on the 18th of October 2021. We show Trabena and then it's Madunum Abapa Donko home. Et transistor nous a good de mon summer pa. Et Okoman Global Sports. Et otimene na fache kakra. Braba. Master na ejiramu na fesuri tumi di nkomo ofia. Na nsembe ni yehwe. And then we said top flight major European Alex need to be cross over the weekend. We go Pimo England and matches do na to me baso. Sanson and Spain cross Germany, Italy and our friends from France. The national friends the results in United Media bar. Sanson ebeba friends from African Champions League. Yes, CAF Champions League matches in United to me the results and they are 2 draw. Now to folk agent akono. About the Nations Wembley across Sports Stadium meeting in Kunim. A brown much wider club a born a kaba kwa went to me ante. You better not enough things to the come on. But if you have BBS to say when you're bread, Okoman Global Sports on Okoman 97.1 radio. Okoman Global Sports. And you hear me producer, the boy. Sounds on a DJ Zigibi. Or share my name on Facebook, and also to make a area too. And to look up Facebook, are you all live? Facebook, Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. Facebook. Sounds on YouTube, Okoman Radio 97.1. YouTube. Sounds on Instagram, Okoman 971. Instagram, Okoman 971. You can follow Jumedi in life and so on. I've so what you mean, you share. What you mean, comment to us here. Imagine Brana Fins, I can kind in. Sounds on a continuing, so Okoman Radio 97.1. Yo, in time and for no journey a life and so on. Munya bin share. Munya bin tina Jumedi and so into me kind. But again, a second confirm executive producer. Producer extraordinaire. Ura Kofi Anson Bafo. Samson head of sports Nana Okori Ajiman. Jeff Kufu Boateng. I'm gonna make sure say the production also a bit solid. Abidja Fofia. Krobia Sante. Kuboni waba. The prodigal son aba. And the Krobia Santa. I feel what you do and every into waba. I drain the wife about it, and I need this. Lillian and I said, I gave back on. You also when I saw my okay. There's a real life. Samson are the writer commentator of ya. And I know y'all that any if you are that. One of them say, top 4 no conso. Right, I just samba pa. Obo comment you go na before be as eke right I don't have you. Remember me sana say man nkwa. Park you so right I just samba park you so. Oh ana won say give you to kusia dey about right I bo juma gidi. Oh ana we dey nsuo ba. We dey yogurt ba. Akubi dey me to right boguma me say give ba wa fina fono. Hey, writer Ujudio. But then you can find the writer commentator Bojuma. My phone so Okoman Radio ye heavy. Pan commentary ye be go. Pan analysis you could ya. Baby bia for sports Okoman 97.1. I crowd say and say baba. Samson and no senior on duty at Trance. Senior so ha and I'm Roman Shanafa. Ever in common 1 or 2 be or right out your one in our life. Samson a papa the fresh and so ha. Ever translating come on. Aran sana na yewe kwa mana na fin sama na nisa na ba. Sena me kai no otise ne no forma na dia chemi. Ebraba, ojura ni yenya ni di ya ebraba. Entini yabesha na fesa kofa na nisa na ba. Bara ma minchi obi bia. Mo amu pue mantemu. Mo amu Greater Accra. Oti Okoman 97.1 radio ma echi amo. Uko piemu Makola, matise ye biemu ko Makola. Samson at Dansoma filling station. I last stop you say I'm for BMO with your Okoman Global Sports. And cram in Sakano no. Samson you could PMO so many so you BMO. Sanso ne uko pemo akusa baba ni a yefro SK Barbering Shop. Yes, SK Barbering Shop. See what bioma utie show no. I don't ye fidi agro SK ma hinchi awa wiye. Sanso na ne Stanley. Stanley si teacher ni akuse Methodist senior high. Stanley so no etie show no. Stanley utie. Oh heavy. Teacher ni was driver. Only class I know tuka na kufema. Stanley we heavy papa. Abi me chiao. Sanso na akuse ene no nurses no. Akuse government hospital nurses no. Omo so etie show no omo nyina wie me chiao mo. Citizens so monitor wonsuo no so. Honorable kwesi eje citizen omo monitor wonsuo no so. Asana na mudamu papa wonsuo no so. Entino ebredu yebeko na afin so no amanane sem no yenso no yatumi eriaba.
Some nights I stay up, cashing in my bad luck. Some nights I call it a draw. Some nights I wish that my lips could build a castle. Some nights I wish they just fall off. But I still wake up, I still see your gospel. Lord, I'm still not sure what I stand for. What do I stand for? What do I stand for? Most nights I don't know anymore.
That's alright, I am gonna finish so man and some no. I don't so no yentumi emfambra. Ya can say we so no. I come Global Sports and yatina semidi. And so no and na Kwame Amponsah Addi. Oso betuma frame AK. Na finish so yetuma boa. Ama niyama so no etumi akoso club ya sante. Hwese niyama so be kama. Sanso na journey on Facebook Okoman Radio 97.1 TNA Facebook no Okoman Radio 97.1 also no obetuma journey oho na niyama so no etumi akoso na wache kama sanso na YouTube no Okoman Radio 97.1 or in 7 ba na Facebook messages ne ba ene no ba WhatsApp so number no 0270 191 971 0270 191-971 kwana finso na manane semno enso no atimi abadia ye be hyase enso no atimi e de free bibro mu ha o say weekend yi Cup Champions League matches no enso no atimi koso a na ye say enya semkuma na ye say ene matches ne to dwa no e hyase memeda no na ye say big games no atimi to dwa bowre mu okosiada na memeda no matches to dwa no so no eni Tosca of Kenya etna firma Zamalek of Egypt e bore kaba kwa ene Tosca so no entimi Sanso na APR of Rwanda etina firma ni Etos Sportive du Sahel also from Tunisia etimi ene ball 1-1 Sanso na neno Sagrada of Angola also etina fie eti neno Uraya Lopez so from here Estuadia also bon economy ensa ema ne timu ba kona fin so na Sek Mimosa from Ivory Coast so eti Sierra Oya Belouizdad bon economy ensa ema ne timu ba ko Sanso na neno US Gengadama also etina fie wo Niger eti Ali of Egypt so no etumi ene ne ball 1-1 sama jwe na manfo kase ne alipa but etumi anko wini na so still match ne koye 1-1 na manfo grata semno and said anko ye and so elho Sanso Almerek of Sudan and so trafie eti ye Zanako of Zambia e bone kam yensa ene Zanako so no etumi antena fin so Stade Malien of Mali etrafie Emma Horoya Guinea kabone kaba kwa anosoro wentimi ante enu akwesi ada matches no so etumi to so El CAF Champions League no Galaxy of Botswana etna firma Zimba of Tanzania ekobone kamienu eni wentimi ante Sanso eneno Maniama of eneno Democratic Republic of Congo so etna fie eni Mamelodi Standards of South Africa etimi po 2-2 Sanso eneno bobu kwa ni ES13 nso ekwa ES13 pa away etna ho amene bobu kwa ni ade not ball ese ball no eye kamiensa ama ne timu ba ko bobu kwa ni ade eye otoho ese tna fie ene eye bobu kwa ni ade Petro Atletico of Angola etumi po tutua that is a big class na sa match no enso no tumi ko wieye Southern Oiler of Liberia enso na tna fie ma ne Raja Club Casablanca of Morocco eko ball na kam when timi ante Rivers United of Nigeria enso na timi tna fie ade bobu kwa ni ade Ali Ondoman of Sudan so no etimi abo 1-1 Al-Ittihad of Libya enso no etna fie and Esperance de Tunis so no abo 0-0 na afen so no Accra to folk never say that until the bones are fully rotten at to folk and so no etna the Nations Wembley and so no eti bobu kwa ni at the wider club and so no abo na kaba kwa onon so no etimi ante Abronte ni dey and so no Isaac Mensah and the pogo no and so no etimi at the hat to folk team wa and so no enya sen kuma yemfie bibrem na ni so yekopie mu e Europe na afen so no yenche top flight major European Alex no the FA results no and afen so no go kin na league table ni nyina and so no enfan tujwa and so no enfan ma etiefu a okopie mu e France so a enya sen kuma results ni ni say and no so esumi efuko ye e ne French league animo Olympic Marseille etna future Laurent so no e bone kan nan e ma Laurent so no etumi atemu ba ko sansa na Montpellier and so na te Lens so bone kabako when timi ante Bordeaux etna fini Nantes so no etumi bo 1-1 Miami team Brest so no Brest afini am nchera nkoye e fa ma be bobo koyi e se ye hwene ne no yetumi mpa president bi fa mo no mo bo na nyama so no enkoye Star Brest so etna fi ene Reims bo 1-1 Met etna fi ma Rennes ko bone kano miensa anon so no entimi ante Abrante ni din en so no ade Laborde abogo sansa na Kamal Sulemana Ghanaian international no etimi bogo etimi de Rennes team na en so na yasen kuma Strasbourg so etna fi ma Saint-Étienne ekotoa no ho game no ko na wie no na Strasbourg so na bo Saint-Étienne e kan makoma ko num ama Saint-Étienne atimi ba ko Troyes atna fi ese Nice kabako when timante Olympique Lyonnais bo Monaco e kan mi no a anon so when timante Clermont Chelele Metropole we na shocking results ho e bo Leo kabako a anon so when timante Paris Saint-Germain e so atna fi eti Angers so e bo na kamienu hey amanfo network I know obtiwo bako enso ha na se enya fedi agro yenko na fensuro yenko piemo enso na wose fufrom na fensuro yenhwene enfa nsem bi enfa firi wo enfa bramo dia ene no ko piemo spinner results ne pa ntamanfo network yente kono mo hwe ni se producer ba ma msaka nkata se na fensuro ye pia dia tum na niama so na tuma koso entene ne kopia hwe na fensu bi na niama so no entime yankoso kakra na Spain no onim se na kan Real Madrid so ela Athletic Bilbao ebetima bo na afenso ni abetima kosana so no sa match no so no entimi ambaso a na stage tumi postpone sa match ne san ze tirema Madrid players no ebi ko bomu Copa America ama medun tem ebrapa cover no sensem ne adia inteni no sa match no so no entimi antoja na mum Barcelona enso na no ata etna fie wo ye Camp Nou enso na chi Valencia etimi bo na kamiensa ama Valencia so no etimi atimu ba kwa eno no enya sem kuma sa so ne no Abrante ni din enso na Asmani 40 etimi pogo sa so na Memphis Depay Abrante ni din enso no ade aye nero yes Abrante ni din Philippe Coutinho enso pogo enso no timi ade ma ye Barca bo ko na enso no enya sem kuma Celta Vigo etna fi ma Sevilla ebe bon kabako when timi ante Rayo Vallecano enso no timi fi Elche ebe kamienu ebe ono so no etimu Paco Villarreal etna fi Osasuna eko bon kanu mienu a ono so no etimu Paco sanso ne Barcelona sensem no oni bodada betumi area tuja Granada mena Atletico Madrid game no and also ntima baso a etumi postpone here yenko na fin so no yenko piemo e Spain na fin anase ne Italian Serie A ne fan stem ne bi enfan free Italy enfan broad dia ene Cagliari enso na chi Sampdoria e bo ne kabako anase kanemi ensa tinie e kanemi ensa ana Cagliari e chi Sampdoria e bo no e ma no so etumi timo back Empoli e tena fi Atalanta e bo ne kan makoma ko 9 e ma Empoli enso na timi timo back Sanso na Genoa ene Sassuolo etumi bo 2-2 Udinese and Bologna ebo 1-1 Napoli etna fi Napoli eche Torino ebo ne kabakwa ono so wentumi ante na afi so Juventus o ladies of Italian soccer eche Jose Mourinho ne mrantie AS Roma asoro bo ne kabakwa ono so wentumi ante German Bundesliga no mo ene Augsburg etna fi ane Armenia Bielefeld etumi ebo 1-1 sanso ne no Bayern Leverkusen etna fi ma Bayern Munich so ebo ne kan eduma ono so wentumi ante yanko na afi so yanko piemo e England na afi so yanfa results ne bi MFF England so MFF Brodia o chana jese nyaksem kuma games no so etumi toja enso na England yanso yede might say for onim say Newcastle enso na tena fi ama ne Tottenham e ko bon kan ma kuma yensa ama ne Newcastle etumi timu miero sanso ne Manchester City enso na etumi achi Burnley enso na bon ka ba ko ono so wantumi enso ka miero yes ono so wantumi at Leicester City enso na etumi tena fi awa ya King Power eche ya Manchester United e bon kan ma kuma ko nine ama Manchester United enso na timi miero sanso na Liverpool enso na tena fi akopiem yes omo kopiem away eche Watford e bon kan ma kuma ko enuma Watford so no entumi ante Sadio Mane entumi pogo sanso ne Mohamed Salah eche go na fe so Bobby Firmino Roberto Firmino so no entumi bo kano ma kuma ko miesa hat-trick so entumi adema aye Liverpool team no a eno so no enya sem kuma sanso ne no Norwich so no and Brighton entumi po 0-0 Southampton etna fe Leeds United e bon ka ba ko a ono so no entumi ante Aston Villa etna fe Villa Park after storm take 2-goal lead no ama Wolverhampton Wanderers so e bon ka miesa e ma timu mienu sanso ne Chelsea ekopiem away eche Brentford so no e bon ka ba ko a ono so no wentumi ante ene yembra na fin so no yemehwe coach so no omo reactions so no after the matches eno so na yasem kuma na Nuno Espirito Santo krobia o coach Adama Tottenham ono so kasa after the game Nuno yenti sama odituja
we can see the goal. But we react really well, and we react in a calm way, in the way we play, in the possession, the lines that we create, the gaps and the pockets that we find in our possession, and we play, in my view, a really good football.
Yes, winning somewhere near Nuno Espirito Santo, and also no etumedi to jump after set Tottenham, and so etumeti aye pobu kwa ni Newcastle, and so etumedi bona kami ensa, ema ni timu mienu na Pep Guardiola, and so the coach at Manchester City. And also etumi kasai Pep match no na ma focus na no den City victory no by game no also who is saying
my players always play good, because they give everything, and they gave it in a difficult game after international break. A team is always well organized, like you have to adjust and adapt the way they play, so I'm so satisfied for the game we played.
Sane sum up Jose Pep Guardiola ono so na tumi ade to dwa o kirem sa no na age se ne ni players na modern mo dan di no ano so etima boa ama Man City so no etumi age and as a victory no etumi akọ enso no etumi ade mama ano so no enya sem kuma ne sum Jose Pep Guardiola enso no etumi ade to dwa yenso no etumi ade etu yetiefo anim yenko na afi so no yenko hwe coaches na aka no almost reaction e won sem ni ma yenso no etumi ade ya ba ukopiemu enso no ewe ni coach no so no eda no enso no etumi ade map Leicester City ore ni di enso no ade Brendan Rodgers onu say manager ade Leicester City team no ana ni ye bisa say Rodgers victory na ba watch United abone kan nan amana timu mienu eya de na secret no enso ene say yenti ensema Brendan Rodgers enso no ade tudwa
everything, just the intensity of the game. Firstly, our defending, that's more like, because we're much more aggressive in our pressing, much more coordinated. You're playing against a top team with big talent, so you've got to be able to defend well. I thought we did that right from the first minute. We had a couple of moments that we'll look at and be better in. And then our attacking play, we scored 4 goals and we had a few other chances to score more. So now overall, much more like our level, and hopefully that'll be a momentum changer for us.
Winning someone named Brendan Rodgers on your manager at Leicester City, so no, it's ready to join no Biba Jackie, Georgian Club, and so no, head manager at Liverpool team, no, and club, Watford, Abon Caninum, when Timante, Sadio Mane, Abogo, Salah, Abogo, generally game, no, club, say.
But should I compare two world-class goals? I like them both, and I don't want to miss them, to be honest. They are obviously different goals. The other one is slightly more dynamic, bigger space, stuff like this. Here, none of them is possible for people with normal feet, like all of us. But it's obviously possible for him, and that makes it absolutely special. And you could see how the team celebrated the goal, that everybody realized immediately that was.
And then some will be by JK. And so ready to Joe James and go send me a Nunano, F. Untumi Mubako, South Yasia. It's a Liverpool fans, no, Mumma Ninja, saying in the victory, no so day. Epana. That story we all maybe I am a South Yasia. That story we are Casano. And said I am a straight. Chelsea Timono, my uncle Nafin Yenti Zama, Thomas Tuchel. And so ready to Jama forecast. Walk on match, one shot on target, pay. And to me boy here, and also and I do go to buy Brentford team, Tuchel. I'm watching on.
Very, very well, and do not have so many international players. So I know I have been in this role for many years, also in Germany. And if you play the big teams, you wanna play them after national breaks or right in the beginning of a season when they come from tournaments, of course. That's why I'm very happy how we played from the start, right from the start, because I'm never 100% sure, because you miss a little bit the feeling after a national break. And I was very happy the way we played in the first.
And then in summer, Thomas Tuchel manager. Edema a Chelsea team no or the two drag chim sending near J so no victory na ba Oche and Brentford team na do na share and call international break into no motifia training na and I'm ya na company and I'm match and so aye day and so but and then Leicester City and so no so I'm Manchester United upon a can I emanate mu be mienu and so na Manchester United coach no Ole Gunnar Solskjaer and so akasa we know Ole my yenti sama Ole nakasa editujwa.
Ready? Well, I picked the team, and Harry showed no reaction after what he's gone through, and for me that was, I hold my hand up if that doesn't work out, and sometimes it doesn't. And when we concede 4, it's not. I probably made a couple of. Ole unumza brante fa odi go gina mu ye den entina no ne sama ne no Ole Gunnar Solskjaer enso na di tudwa na ne supporters no uko social media amos chabo Ole papa amos reno na ma wo Facebook no mo nje live na fe so no mo che ne no and am for trim Ole sanfo ni wezigi fatu mu na am for hu picture no o share picture ne no ma tag Ole say 50 cents until be a case for United akachi it mo share say dey ba pa Ole no Ole chenzo ono Jenny Samba papa oh United Ocean Chaser. I'm out for a creative social media. Yes, the winner said that the only dressing no not just a change Google Unipan come no I know so you just say Monsamra Mokan Casano on no just on tea. Ziggy, it for some for Facebook wall. Now my phone some for each say some banana papa no such as say social media very very interesting. And then Manchester United fans no mo fair nim saying Ole no still now Otana and ya the Chelsea for HM say mo try some pamu Ole and the petition I'm come Queen. Now feels no near my son to my call. And tomorrow social media no more way near. Yes, so only 50 cents. Only 50 cents. Yes, 2 chains. And then I say Zoka Ukruma. Uche chains a good kumna. When I then a tar etuana no crop yana bumu. And I then butana. Yeah, then pipe in the tuana no. There's a near course training grounds. All until be a case here. It's a Manchester United team, no, and also in the call and in the Pantina. But another time, no, yes, the best in I just say, yet my Befina, ya be didn't come on. It's only 50 cents, no. Young fanny see Ole Nankasa change, say, Pibi Kaumano, no, so no, still, but Juma, and my Manchester United team, every United team, obey, I know what Barcelona, some just a Barcelona team, no, obey. I also the you know, say, I know so call. It's a Leicester show 4. I know as let's go out the chain 2 on Tiasia. And I was only winning at 3 points of calling him when they know now who apostle. And to my child, Homra, the Bible to us.
The calm she call off. Man, I look into my nephew's eyes. Man, you wouldn't believe the most amazing things.
Okoman Radio.
Some terrible lies.
Okoman Radio.
Right into no yansa ma be jafo akwaba Enfambra Okoman 97.1 radio still Okoman Global Sports and UNC Atnasia and abujafo ofia quick one e be ko na fin so ne ya sha said in come brand ko we know amanene sabon kan minya but yamboni tete wa manene na fin so yambra fi mbehwe had to focus and na fin so koloko 20 turn of Dubai still koloko about 2 games onya win e won 20 turn the boy better na sa issue no yeti ahwe ho asamatumi aka but mami ma be jafo akwa ba club ya sante ona kuboni bibia fine.
Yeah,
so them
me
so waka we bi okobo adwuma wo fikuma se bebo adwuma won kran ye adwuma ye bi na onko eda dey no to ye so microphone man try to
yeah.
Hello motimenka
nti amanfo ne kan je
ye tene kana na oye wi no ka bi fikuma se na maba
okay
we bo branti mo hwe na abrabo no ko ye mama
bia anye kama
na owie no fa no course na first call na asem waka chance masa sene wa sha say dem fa ti o san ko krom ti kuma ti no udem why crowd ya be fa udem yes
bia fine and o share the last week and over maybe I say some days because I can't remember last week somewhere I think Wednesday and free honor me share that MBP mu intino no man na was em fan to akwan mu nyina all this one no bibia has been successful enti etumi asan be pm wa ha na yeda obade enso ase se bibia nso etumi ekoye eho no na mede nyankopon ase ene bibia ono nso no throughout kakran no ode yen ekoye nim tino medana se
my quick one here Europe quick one me ma okay me calculating the 5 hours and there is a so I'm at 3 minutes 3 minutes nothing so Europe
and rather was Spain do any a na it was a game between a young team Valencia up against and the Barcelona woman so ekra one of the youngest squad almost so ekra and they almost penny for Makumi and Nubin so no etumi afra with the likes of Hodi Aba any Sergio Busquets any Gerard Piqué no ebuan kakra and Barcelona transition no as said the American always no papa oho one Laporta believe say nei Ronald Koeman the manner or no so betumi change the 14 of Barcelona and a new pair say transition any juma club bi mu the likes of the Dutch managers now they've shown say woman so no when it comes to transition period no woman so very key play a key role say woman be boama any young and up and coming talent no and I say we team crampo no etumi ejija woman betumi lifting it up to a certain position before ansana other managers and so no etumi abe take over enti bribia mu no na ekoba say Barcelona etumi elusi games ni ade na eba any report eba any media report no che say nei papa ye friend no Ronald Koeman no omo betumi show no the exit door na numua na papa nei ye friend no one Laporta president no etumi abeka abontin say omo believe say papa no ebetumi aye juma and in a game against Valencia no na a game make sure him say at the end of the 90 minutes you know if there could be a winner Valencia ebetumi take the win no e de akọ because we gamer and Valencia abo this season the last game I'm share ya modern bono answer that and so many and it was against of course a big gun from the Spanish league Real Madrid after so we take lead you know by 70th minute or more Madrid the 2 goals ebetumi ebe take ebe win game na no end the same thing na Endra dance no etumi replicate here after say we see another giant from the side woman so take the lead no as an NH no Memphis Depay any the new Lionel Messi the new Romario the new Ronaldinho the new Rivaldo no more etumi ebe mu Ansumani Fati etumi ebenya the equalizer no answer na no we no any the outcast Phil Coutinho and so etumi the third goal no ebaya and also etumi eboy ma Barcelona etumi share Valencia by 3-1 and I was so impressed with performance Barcelona edanedi and going forward no me di nkan aka say nay Barcelona players bi wo ho a se wo mu nyina fully fit na wo mo ba to the game wo mo be boa ama ne Barcelona game no enso etumi akoye enti wo hwe ne Aguero etumi return Phil Coutinho on any day if Phil Coutinho is fit and I say bibia ekoye ma Phil Coutinho you can never take anything away from that guy ono so betumi aboa with the experience of Aguero wo mu nyina betumi aba into the game and Ansu Fati returning and in the last minute about 48 minutes after so share goal no 48 minutes now was 2 goals in the last 2 games after almost a year out and now on to me embo game and me when he say nay abrante no so betumi aboa na team ene papa your friend Okoman and so ehihye no ni nyina so etumi come into fruition at the end of the season Ediama Barcelona na said ya one more person transition no echo said their team no looking going into maybe next season after this season because me are very optimistic and I'm tempted to believe say this season day say Barcelona ebetumi win a silverware this season and you know yam say team no ebetumi enya good shape into the following season na bibia so no etumi akoye said that nyina yehwe enimu say Barcelona and so ebetumi asanga back after in nsemo ACC Iniesta oyi Lionel Messi and so no ne yehwe said their Barca ebe looking up to me believe say their nyoma economy wo gidi and so one of the people you believe is Ronald Koeman and so with the experience of Juan Laporta being the head president and he said yeah already football na ordinary egu akwemu say club and they ocheno and so betumi akoye no me believe say bibia betumi akoye so dem FC Barcelona going forward.
Okay, I know club ya Asante ana motse nkano but I share nko Facebook na face messages bi abano men kan free ona emeto so Obaya, good afternoon Nana Kwame. I'm watching you live from Tema and also at me Edaba Obaya VMA Benjamin I use Safo I say hashtag Okoman Global Sports to the world and also at me Edaba Samson at Millicent Jamia I say I'm watching you live and also at me Edaba okay Samson I know in Ogbote I say good afternoon AK you are doing great work keep it up and also add to me Ofei Apente as a nice one day and also add to me add in Nigerian channel and so add to me add about Kwabna Majesty also you people are doing a great work Kwabna yeah so no yeah that was it incha bebre and Abapa Gina Papa B I say I'm watching you live inside Tema and also add to me add in a message about as master you there from Bruta kakra krasa na you say there was ana right add you me who post no na say if ya me ra ho Steve there by na Steve ko by this time asemo and you know my man go Papa Fresh AK Bibia fine
Nyami adom bibia she AK
my 3 minutes Europe na ye meeting come off here
okay AK mami nhyase mfanchi ankoma etiefo nyina na chill out na na wode me fa ho mami kochi akakra na branch anidin ede AK guy ne friend no
guy ben
chill out
papa di ane paaki awone me mo pa paaki
pa mami chana na ewie
okay
na na wode me ko ho no otum se ona wode me fa ho na
so yenya na ko say you writer ko bi the boy ko bi
me de me ko ho danti eno ya me first time na o say na o say asa akwa yi wa edinti man bibi kakra na ne so nyehye ana
so ma de me ko
o ma bibi kakra enti AK michiano na ewie and chill out fu nyina michi omo AK
echi amema no kwa
man so baku Sandy baby
Papa Fresh obre no aka say 1 minute to go
ode ye 1 minute ma me fan hwe over the weekend match e ko so e wo Griffin Park e ho na Bradford any Chelsea e the boss so na ya we game e the match Chelsea and I wish game na AK na enye mo wan say Brentford etimi ma Chelsea tough times because Moshe Brentford the whole season in matches na ya bono omo lose just a game pe throughout pre-season by league no one can say 13th August I starting league no now I had Brentford lose just a game against Brighton and lose that game no now we share game no ekwan na game no efa so ekwa de ma bobo kwandi Brentford obeka team ya ne Liverpool and about 3-3 this Premiership we Brentford and Liverpool about 3-3 now we share past matches no ma bo 8 matches before say 8 no be Chelsea dey here na ya dey just a match and no lose 2 draws and a team apim and to say now mo modern born ya dey ewenim kakra na ewom so mutumi edi nkuko ba wo hwe adwuma emrante bi ti say Ivan Toney nom ene Frank Onyeka ono ye Nigeria International wo hwe modern boy wura no boy won fifth ho no mo edema Bedford anya mo awa say at the end of the game no second half no ye nyina hu say na ye Bedford game because wo hwe ekwan a Chelsea the only shot on target at Chelsea enyaye eno ne the goal na etimi ba ya bench wo Eddie go near ball net to attend and the only target at Chelsea in your now second half in Bedford game. A 2-2 say coach no and you once after match and the coach near the two just and pen so modern one ranting a boy. Now I wish you say some airquay any mono matches are can in so much me bo Ninampo a bo air bed 10 matches on be win bear 9. Enti me hwe no say matches aka against the big clubs no now omni Liverpool we 3-3 aka second leg no Manchester United ni on bebo enti omo chance na so 2-0 and no first match Arsenal ni omo boy omo chance na 2-0 enti we show against Airtor for now ade ani am akoye e dey am Bedford because we share the likes of Bobo Kwandi Norwich City and Watford ni am akoye we share Norwich omo da se na oka eka newly promoted side ne ho ento wo hwa Brentford a season bia Premiership no yetiminya club ba ko a ono e ba mfoforo a utumu se ne modern bono ya na ota de tete mpanyifo na ewo mudida no ento wo hwa this season a Brentford ebetimi aye sa team no newly promoted side ono ebe tete mpanyifo nti e bo mrante na ba so talking about Christian Nogard no modern boy mutimi e boy do lose game no but I think say omuhia team bi a ombetimi atete om defense na ade ombetimi edi nkoni because Chelsea yenum say coach anidin Thomas Tuchel no adwuma ya ne so no be ebe kan defenders na boom and we share the likes of Thiago Silva no man no nka game no na nka ye nyina nim say anka dim abekọ bone e de ama Chelsea by we share emrante bi a ana say reserve side no no de omugina mo Chaluba nom ene Malansa no ma utumi so mutumi ebo modern now Chelsea team no akwese say even Thiago Silva akra ni ho a ade ombetimi abo modern atimi defend game ni ye and utumi so mutumi defend wall amani amatimi ekonam we omunya team bia defense na shake it say Manchester United anka game no ebetimi a different score line altogether enti ebo Brentford for abaso omukwaso aye ni say nkonimde ebetimi akọ e ama weekend Liverpool etimi ko share Watford score line dey AK and share dan yehu sa isa say Liverpool ko share Watford 5-0 there and share dan yehu by a record etimi etodwa Mohamed Salah once again African brothers no baako etimi e kan ho nano memreda ama Salah etimi share 2 goals na no aboa ama okọ abakwasemu a Africa players ball mo ball ewo England no Salah equal record and Didier Drogba ekitamu 104 goals and Drogba no abo in 254 appearance just we see aka makoma 254 etimi share 104 goals by Salah enei abo 166 matches share 104 goals into tumu say ono ne matches awabo no ewo fem kakra by goals awashe no so ewo anim over the weekend and as next week no Sunday United and Liverpool ebo Osha Salah so for the past 3 meetings United share Liverpool no utumu say match bia o share goal for the past 3 meetings no o share goal against Manchester United until me hwe nim say weekend no obetimi ede Drogba record no etimi aden enu nsuo mu na obetimi asset a new record ede ama Africa players esi o makan ewo England abrochi mamu weekend Ghanaian players be bring etimi ebo modern by AK Mamensha Victor Osimhen after sa Branton journey Bobo Kwandin ede Napoli from Lille 2020 dum enoru no journey no enya de an first season niam etimi nanim edema Branton ba wo hwe of later se e can striker ba ko an modern ball ekwanim edema Napoli unbeaten run now omguso akram uko Europe top 5 European leagues ni nyina Napoli enkwani team a enya de awabo draw ena enya de awasan lusu biem out of 8 matches awabo ni nyina we wini ni nyina nti okita 24 points Napoli enti wo hwe modern ball na ekwanim na Victor Osimhen atimi ahye goals makomako enum de ama Napoli team no enti mebo Abrante na abaso because wo hwe last season niam ankoyie amfa ma Abrante no wamra otwene Bobo Kwandin Napoli no but this season no etimu sampa oboama wa left Africa flag no ewo Italy ni important medisi ana mabijafo nka ato aso
okay ano enso no Papa Fresh ana watene kan sina mami tio
yebetia etiefu nyina se odwurai na obi aginamu na so yakwa ba na Monday na wasentie Okoman FM baka se yishira won se na jamia no muka wonyina wetie yen entino yechia
jamia no
oh yeah
ano yena
oh opamade wo Old Donkin o bank na echi won mo no opamade
woman no container kasibi mo
yeah okan ni sister
this is happening na
busia udu Donkin mo sister opamade wo no friend jamia no
okay
yeah nti odi
so dem ko chia no
emelo ba ko chia no insuro me ba ko chia no nti ade nye problem nti no e beka si tiefu na ye chia won papa say abino bi ya wo hwe yen wotie kakra meka ne say ya hwe this weekend na ya ko international break nti na players ni more na ewo isolation say wa woko South America fo no ade ba no obi ani wa onya akwan den ebobo ana ebi muso wa woko ba no prepare nti na this weekend no na tough weekend ma bigger teams in because one and one players no kwa away more pa nti no anyam wan wa say top teams no find it very difficult say oba winning matches no but kudos to one we winning na because what say or a big team no say na Papa Fresh no o hwe Chelsea match na one play for that we say na small match because tamala na apone ba abonte no na jidina ewo no na ewo form to the extent say na o hwe players what one but three back na resemu nim but wo me hu say no there's a why by see jewondi to the extent say we ni wa eyi wo ho we ni wa because tamana really grant I go say wa no money ade ni wa ni yem hie but sa no by me hu say no they are part of the team ade be one way team coach ni kire won ya wo say we nti no amaya amfi won bebre because ni him say Kalupo bebre bebem but o me hu say no they are players yakoto aba won say obeya adwuma no e say no na ama obi aka Chelsea won asem because to the sense utie Man U old players ni bia o pese what catch say o hwe defenders Man U wo na hwe defenders Chelsea wa Man U defenders more better than Chelsea but whereby they go away I will lose 4-2 and Chelsea bon more than maintaining ni records no and that is say o hwe Chelsea boys na what it obi determine say ball ne de you ball to the sense and now this season you know we are title contendant into no matter what obi adima be ginam bia no be na adwen say obi make sure say that mentality na what the coach in the show team say no I feel we are going for title into no obi animre no obi agina ma won so obobo into no kudos to Chelsea boys and say international break ye fi obai na wangu wanhu anim ni wonya points no I feel me buy Man U match ne so na olese wo share ne for no enye problem bia say wo share ne for as a whole coach na on share 4-2 na we be say identity na wanti man ka hwe say enye problem say wo share 4 it means say lose no enye wo hwe supporters eni abere wo hu a
all the teams only out ebi mu say only tese what you say afere ebi mu dey down 50 cent me ka me ba ko bi hu ba ko kura na e akono only kaka na waka wo dem fifth no hu so na 10 na ho afa na wa bra na stay won timi 10 na ho hu say anya ma bi e ko so ntino e be tire eye only on she players ni na em wan say players ni na wo enti na say na ma supporters e dia because na hu hia bia wo de ama enti if dent na very match kase say na untimi mesere say only enkam because say na top 4 no emu ayedin no because for now we say one quarter 6 into no say one keep push the next 6 matches and say 5 matches only ba say enye small the next 5 matches and enye small because only bo Liverpool wa bo Atlanta wa Tottenham wa City wa City wa bo Arsenal wa bo Watford wa bo Chelsea into we say matches say akaya a tough match man into no say and into that man supporters be hope say obo what say na 5 matches be na 6 matches be no one say only but member supporters na we say more fair no say one team because only no what's a new contract Queen na say man you do na one say o man atwa so o hwe na assistant manager ono so man na say another contract 3 years contract asen aka ho into which means say ya dia opam olele because one project and as one yama wey na chere say wo share the visioner as Wenger and say Alex Ferguson they buy Man U so that time no ohun say the first 5 years no wan hwe but after 5 years no say teams ni wie no obeye the king and obeye say e wo football mu enti no say na no na ama me say Man U for board members no mu say no because of sad way enti no ye be man kwan na we kura team no na the team na akọ anim enti me say senior supporters ni hu ole no yes na board no so hu ole enti e be say board no so be ba bonten na ne ye o say wo ka kire supporters na mama won kuma to ye mu no wo dey arese mu ata ole achi because wo hwa now Man U supporters bibili one vim and I say one gidi afi ole because wo mu say onye papa bi empam we but ye dey ye wo opposite side in friends of Man U and I say friends of Chelsea no Chelsea supporters in the they only out on the yan support because the person then okoso correct team na ye team bobo team just say for now the no na beka na ya befie.
Okay, I know senior on duty still Oti Okoman Global Sports on Okoman 97.1 radio Facebook Okoman Radio 97.1 Facebook Okoman Radio 97.1 Okwa also robert to me share live ne yan tawako na like page you know o share na obi anya bi share na fin so comment no also to me area to over the weekend top flight major PROMOTIONal you know it me cause so Barcelona victory Chelsea victory United to Liverpool it me we need Samson and no Koroko and same preseason tour 2 matches so far and yeah their victory to me about Samson out to folk and so it to me we need by a long goal and a CAF Champions League and also bet me the comments now about YouTube and so no Okoman Radio 97.1 Okoman Radio 97.1 YouTube and our face on Facebook Instagram Okoman 971 the writer Mami ti a quick one our Europe
me didn't think you be yaba you be local na
because
yes abrofo no makwaba
okay and you know say writer can but anti writer mami sha say fan wo me ni baby the ade can but at folk over the weekend in your victory over a wider club of in Morocco 1-0 in a CAF Champions League na man for ka say no one goal in there and enough Edema has team no I try now we no bono akoya won at the folk no team na akasa of the football there a football victory na ba and no mo hwehwe on betima your mafemu there say no kwa we on betima qualify generally what assessment on the game Enra
Chabo, mami chana me senchiti for montage ni from afar.
Oh yeah na odokotoko dey na wure mitima me 6 minutes.
6 minutes. All right. Me fanya kotoko ni as no. Oh okay.
Ala de be chi obi.
Me ni obi e cha.
Me say yi aba pa gina papa bi em say wadan for. Okay. This is which ya.
Ziva. Oh Enoch say madam for anke Enoch.
Enoch.
Me Enoch boatin.
Say Enoch ma kan message you are.
Baba nka wan ke Enoch.
6 minutes na.
Okay, Chabo, mama call Ayendra has ene walk of Morocco game no so. I was Ayendra na obi expect say Bobo Kwande ni aso folk bet me inya more goals in the game but yenhwe say now going to the game now work Oshamu performance in the Champions League for the past
4 to 5 season. Osha 2017, they were able to win the CAF Champions League. 2018, we to make a quarter final. And a 2018-2019 season, Osha, Omuko final, no, Omni Esperance de Tunis, at the final, Omuko home, and Omusha back, but second leg, no, and a CAF, it seems like Buboko and Dean, at the work of Morocco game, no, one more bandy, and the trophy, no, Buboko and Dean, the Esperance de Tunis, and a 2019-2020 season. Boboko and Dene work to make a PMO the grand finale. And also to me PMO was semi-final. And a 2020-21 season. And they were able to go to the final. So Osha the past 4-5 seasons. Oh, Boboko and Dene at the worker. Looking at the performance in the Africa terrain, which means they are very good playing against Boboko and Dene House of Folk. Last time House of Folk won the Ghana Premier League. I would to me a call PMO over the CAF Champions League and as the Africa continent international was Osha 2008-2009 season. Actually, papa. So going all out to play against work of Morocco and Ram. Our Cross Sports Stadium. No bia Adrian Boboko and Dene House of Folk. Omu said then ya go and as a goes in the back. Yansha and Dra game no. Osha and Dra from start Refi and Dean Eddie Rodriguez from Angola. Aboard the Bristol. Yes, started Boboko and Dean Eddie a year work. Started because they played the game without their head coach. And Robbie original touchline was a one goalkeeper's trainer. Any original touchline because now the coach I'm say COVID-19. You know, to me and you coach you goalkeeper's trainer. Any original touchline. If say goalkeeper's trainer around the a Allah original touchline. To me original touchline my boy. Now say a team no 8 me about to me able to by going to near. It really tells you as a if say goalkeeper's trainer input me na touchline. How much say Oko away going to play against a year team and the coach and Kasebe Jina touchline. And Romo boy without 5 key players in the game. And no game no Morocco for no ayo imagine say no be so police surprise Edemabuko and Dene House of Folk for the first 1 to the 10th minute. What almost started say they want to balloon the boss. Almost issue a year long ball because some of the players in the team were very tall. House of Folk, House of Folk should start to say, Obe Balubo, because House of Folk and the players on the foot, make me say just 2 players, and Osho Momoa, Kofi Koji, and Branty and Dean Eddie a Richard. But some Adams who play beer, no, but Mr. Adams and starting game no from the bench, and Adams died. So Ebasano, then I see team in the year, also Mutuamuas no Melo. It seems like head coach Samu Budu who game no. He started reading the game and almost started 2 mobiles. The Andra game no, was very nice, but look at the performance of House of Folk. Bebrese has performance in the year, has their last game against Kamsa. 9 minutes of the game, and I'm starting to say one more go. Ewo game no. One more etna city back because Osha this is how they play their Champions League. One more city back. Eto mo say 9 minutes. No man start to say one person win the game. And I war game no. One a team be or very good. A ball game. Now say sad team no. Obo a home game match first. Sometimes home game match no. Sometimes a hard rain. Unya goes in the bar. Also say. I'm probably complaining about the referee 2 penalty. Also a game home and a obo. And I win this very opportunity. And as a penalty, as a referee and ja. Sometimes we do 2 now both game no. Because I know Samuel Bodu at the touchline. I don't know. For the first time, Okochi a year House of Folk Echo Africa. Now Obo Champions League. Also sometimes also the boy senior decision bia and a beba referee budget. And he also sometimes so control the temper because we can crane away. Na so ko mo na so ko ya ubedi red card. Was when your first yellow card. Oko na so ko oko every go. And yesterday W Tando I don't know W Tando at the touchline. Bibi Kakra no sorry. Bibi Kakra no sorry.
W no military.
Bibi Kakra no sorry.
Military Kakra.
No, it came to me father winning the Champions League. Home now Obo. And yesterday Omo a very fantastic performance. But to me, one goal no match no maybe 30% and Omo commit my ABB. 30%.
Draw.
30 ain't me draw. Nana make ain't me draw. Or has been.
Do you think it's over for Hearts of Folk?
And over.
Okay. I can't 1 minute.
I can't 1 minute. Kotoko. Andra.
So far 2 games I'm about pre-season victory my.
Okay. Pre-season matches nearby. I do say if you're a new head coach aba. Mena me check statistics almost about 16 players no signing, and it seems like two is in the Chroma sign two
foreign players.
Foreign players said they are better team no. So playing two profile matches and their preseason no. Yantu Abuase mom first na coach na say team no. And to me and start and judge team they say omunya goals. The fans no was team no. What you say? Into your Tony Boas say no. See I bought the Ghana Premier League 2 seasons so untumi nya goals and I'll be to me eliminate but it's too early. So be to me eliminate. Goals and they all see goals in ba but Yantu Abuase ma kotoko.
Yantu Abuase Mfama Koroko our preseason mu and then some of the writer commentator and so no etimi area to draw up Krabia.
Okay.
How to full Koroko issues.
For the second time Minchia Yetiefo nyina na me ma we be a very good afternoon na. Coach Samuel Bwedu Ejuma oye El House of Folk no. Me hu say obetumi the House of Folk edum pempen so bi na ebeboa because so far if say ende yen about the second leg na House of Folk efim kra na me hu say they've done a yeoman's job. Ohwe Ejuma when Samuel Bwedu ebe take over from House of Folk Obai with me abeboa na points gap by that between Karela, Great Olympics and Kotoko. House of Folk were behind these clubs in terms of points gap near the Ebinumu Chinimu 7 points, 8 points, 9 points, but yet Otumi Babeje club no edi Juma bedu sampempensui. And in the FA Cup or sanso a show the tactics and any ideas as a manager and as a coach said ya yenye kan Africa hano and any Ghana hano etumi edi boy my players bia na under several managers and our mabe for House of Folk ekono yin say wo modern bonu nso eni no wo nyina etumi a pick it up ama ne House of Folk ebukema. House of Folk is a team to beat in Ghana and o shake a creya and drag game ameshe our House of Folk they are playing as a team but not as an individualistic play from the players. And someone will do with new experience kakra being the first timer of House of Folk at the ball CAF Champions League now with players I want to get inexperienced echo African terrain anymore. Now we modern boy woman at the boy and drag edishia waka na esweni into pair and drag game no from the Kamsa game eba and drag game no so far House of Folk to me we need 2 games in na a honon woman essay about body 100% and they've done the needful. Said there was a woman here say goes no Ambru 2 say Ambru 1 sanka wombeshe 10 there and drag game no ana ehia inti and dra no yemfa aseda no emma ene coach Samuel Bwedu we duma power ye eso because ye Ghana ha clubs I would do PE to me abagana ha be surprises. And okan na we ne wa link Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko clubs getting be abaye rough ha no ma eko and endra na Gidi ami wo ha simu say home dear Accra telephone so de be din say work e be den e be tumi abawi ni ba na me hwe nim say de I need right kind no e hwa na me Gidi wo become no kware to be frank with you me was soft heart kakra e de my heart to folk and na nka me pese wo mun at least more than a go nanka into me and boy because ohwe team a endra senior na writer kan wo mo de buyer manager ni wo assistant coach ni wo even director one more sporting director this me fan say o de ba Bernard Lipet dia o player or Black Stars wo mu nyina wo mu bia ni wo ano wo ho it takes a manager and say goalkeeper trainer and otumbe gina stance wo. And key 5 players are this season they've played important role. Ewo Moroccans ni team ni mu no eye work for team ni mu no. Won most of the minutes ewo wo league ni Botola league ni mu no. These players ni nyina so weren't available. And Oshe Gema and Bra wo boy in the first 10 minutes no na ewo say anka nkrofo ni tumi nya goal. Na ewo say anka wo mutumi nya goal even 2 goals cry in the first 10 minutes are anka enye shocking. Ukoshe first 10 minutes game a boy and in the first 3-4 minutes na 2 corner kicks ni other free kicks are na very dangerous. And you know na ehu behia say nay going forward and in the second leg you know say me kasa from the perspective and from the aspect of being a professional journalist padia it will be very hard said they are to meet na me Ghana ni mitumi china ekire say ene wo hwe Ghana Black Stars yen squad depth yen quality any yen style of play yen bribia the system ye live in no and to me my young compete with the likes of the Senegalese, with the likes of the Algerians so na ne if I'm being professional league ayebono enye papa the league is not up there to the Moroccan league and ye nei despite say has of Kenya win wahan if I'm being professional na me nye no say oh I'm a Ghanaian sa soft heart no me yifriwa it will be very hard. And I will even be very surprised. House of folk ebetumi akọ Morocco etumi akọ points. And the only thing possible I mean we say House of folk ebetumi aye ebe boa ma womo crampo na akọ penalties ni impo ye say bia womo so betumi aboa na Moroccans na shall 1-0. But it will be very very hard. And that percentage a very thin. And my house of folks say, we should pendra gamer one boy with this absentees. Our team ni moi a bedding and menka for house of folk, but Ghanaian club yeah. Even the be make I say no Ghana ye best 11 Premier League best 11 they cannot compete with the likes of Esperance, the likes of Ali. To me show because Ali we share even the Egyptian national team now. First 11 lineup, you will get locally based players from Ali and Zamalek alone. When we feature 9 out of 11 players are more national teams. Tougher national teams. Into no thing. But kudos to and Samuel Bodu and then no Fimukrana. Maybe we did say House of Folk. Baby, I was a woman fast Confederation House of Folk will go exceedingly and they will even play in the semi-finals. Confederation Cup. I was didn't say House of Folk they should relax. They are not going to get the qualification over work of Morocco. It's not going to happen. It's not going to happen. So therefore they should prepare and someone will do